This is lesson 12, Cleanliness and Hygiene. In this chapter, we'll come to know about cleanliness of body, how we can keep our body clean, body parts, their care, cleanliness of clothes, food, water, healthy habits. We will also know about the diseases which are caused due to lack of personal hygiene and unclean surroundings, degradable and non-degradable garbage with examples, and reducing non-degradable garbage in the surrounding. So before starting the lesson, we should know about all these activities. Here, take the activities that can help to keep your surrounding clean. Children, you have to take the activity which is helpful to keep your surrounding clean, such as first man, that is the man is cleaning. So it helps your surrounding to keep clean. Yes. So you have to put tick on the box. The girl is planting the tree. This is also helpful to keep our surrounding clean. So put tick. Peeling up garbage around your house. Peeling the garbage around your house. Is it good? Is it helpful to keep your surrounding clean? No. So you have to put here cross in the box. Putting garbage in a dustbin. Yes, that is correct. And taking care of plants. This is also helpful to keep our surrounding clean. Now you should know that what is healthy lifestyle. What is healthy lifestyle, children? A healthy lifestyle and habit of cleanliness are essential, are necessary to keep our health cells healthy. So, what is the healthy lifestyle? By following good habits, we can keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Now, what are good habits? That all we will learn in the lesson. So, first topic is cleanliness of body, personal hygiene. Cleanliness of body, personal hygiene. What is personal hygiene? Is the practice of keeping ourselves clean. This is the practice how we can keep ourselves clean. Every day, what you have to do to keep your body clean? It involves keeping our body clean and free from germs. This cleanliness of body, that personal hygiene, in that it involves that how we can keep our body clean and free from germs. You know, children, that germs are not good for our body. So we have to keep these germs away from our body. So what we can do to keep our body free of germs? Many diseases can be avoided by maintaining personal hygiene. If you will maintain your personal hygiene, you can avoid many diseases. Okay, if you are able to maintain personal hygiene, if you are able to keep your body clean, free from germs, so many diseases will be far from you. Now let's learn how can you take care of your hands. These all are practices, care of hands, care of teeth, care of eyes, care of your body. So these are the different parts of the body. So these practices, if you follow all these in your daily life, you can keep your body free from germs. So first of all, we'll study about care of hands. Washing hands is the simplest and most effective way to prevent infections. So it is the easiest way to prevent with the infections. We should wash our hands before and after meals, every time after using the toilet, and after touching any animal or equipment or any contaminated objects such as dustbin. You know, children, in dustbin we put different type of garbages. So that is an contaminated object. Contaminated object means with the germs, the object which has many type of germs. It is mixed with germs. So that is a contaminated object, and if you touch this type of object, you should wash your hand, you should clean your hands. Okay, so what are the points? When we touch the animal, when we come from the toilet, when before eating, taking your meals, after taking the meals, you should clean your hands. Okay. Next is how we can take care of our teeth. We should keep our mouth and teeth clean to avoid tooth decay. Tooth decay, okay. When we eat, bits of food particles get stuck between our teeth. When you eat, what happens? That food particles get stuck in your teeth. Microbes that cause tooth decay can grow in these particles. So slowly what happens? Microbes take place and tooth decay can grow in these particles. So you get that tooth decay and you have to go to dentist to remove the tooth. So we can take care of teeth by brushing our teeth at least twice a day and rinsing our mouth after every meal. So after every meal you should rinse your mouth, okay, and brush your teeth twice a day, okay. Eating crunchy vegetables such as radish, carrot that scrub our teeth as we eat. So crunchy vegetables, what are the use of crunchy vegetables? You should take crunchy vegetables. Which type of vegetables are crunchy? Like radish, carrot. So they scrub our teeth. You know, they scrub the teeth. So it makes the teeth strong. Making milk, cheese and curd are part of our daily diet as these are rich in minerals. So you should take milk, cheese, curd because these food items are rich in minerals such as calcium, and calcium makes our bones and teeth strong. So you should take milk, cheese, curd, all type of food in your daily diet. Avoiding excess of sweet such as toffees and chocolates. We should not take more sweets such as toffees and chocolates, okay, because it has the cavities and it destroy our teeth. Clear, children? So this way we can take care of our teeth. So remember all these points, how you should take care of teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day, then eat crunchy vegetables, include your diet milk, cheese, curd and avoid eating sweets. Now how can we take care of our eyes? You know children, our eyes are the most delicate of our sense organs. You know name of sense organs? Eyes, nose, skin, tongue. These are the 5 sense organs. Skin, nose, eyes, tongue, ears. These are our sense organs. So eyes is very delicate sense organ. We need to protect them from dust and infection. We should protect our eyes from the dust and other infections eating vegetables, green vegetables such as spinach, carrot, cabbage and fruits such as mango, papaya is good for our eyes. So we should take green vegetables to protect our eyes. Eyes have their natural defense mechanism. So eyes have natural means God gifted defense means to protect mechanism such as eyelashes. God has given us eyelashes. Where is your eyelashes? Here, this is eyelashes, no? This eyelash is there. Okay, protect them from the dust and dirt. So, if dust and dirt is there, so automatically you can close your eye with the eyelash, no? That dust is stuck in your eyelash. Okay, then eyelid is also there to protect your eyes. Like tears help wash out the dirt, and tears now comes out from the, it helps to wash out the dirt. Eyelids close when any object gets too close to the eyes. If any object gets close to your eyes, this is eyelid, no, this part, so it gets closed. So this way these are the natural defense mechanism, natural things to protect our eyes. Okay, so how we can take care of our eyes? So you should follow the following steps. First of all, splash your eyes with clean water 2 or 3 times. Splash your eyes with clean water. Put clean water on your eyes 2 to 3 times. Do not read in dim light. You should not read in dim light. Moving vehicles or while lying down. You should not read while lying down or moving the vehicles, and the light, proper light should be there. Maintain proper eye distance when working on a computer. When you are working on the computer, you should not go close to the computer. There should be proper distance, or while watching television also. So do not watch television or work on a computer for a long period. Take a break after every 20 minutes. Even when we are using mobile, you should have quite proper distance, and it should not be for long period. It should be for this short period only you should use the mobile, because all this is harmful for our eyes. Avoid rubbing your eyes as it may damage them, and you should not rub your eyes. So these all are the steps to protect your eyes. Now, how can we care of our ears? Proper care for the ears. So, for the caring of ears, clean your outer ears with a clean washed clothes. You should use towel to clean the outer part of the ear. Okay, after a bath. Then, do not use your finger, hairpins or toothpicks in removing earwax. Sometimes people are putting that hairpin or toothpick in the ears. That you should not do. You should not use pointed objects. And while bathing, we should take care that water does not go in your ear. It does not enter our ear. This can cause ear infection. Never put any pointed object like pencil and ball pen also in your ears. And while taking bath, you should take care that water does not enter in your ear. So this way we can protect our ears. Now the care of body. How can we take care of our other parts of the body? First of all, bath regularly to remove sweat, dirt. It keeps the skin clean. To keep the skin clean, you should take bath every day and free from diseases causing microbes. Second, wash your hair with shampoo at least once a week. This prevents the formation of dandruff and keep lice away. Then massage your hair and scalp with oil regularly. It improves blood circulation and keep your hair shining. Combing hair twice or thrice daily helps in getting rid of dust. You should comb your hair 2 to 3 times daily. Keep your nails trimmed. You should trim your nails and clean to avoid accumulation of dirt and microbes. So you should trim your nails and you should keep clean to avoid collection of dirt. The dirt should not be collected and microbes should not be collected in your nails. Okay, and these are bathing, brushing. These are also the part of how we can take care of our body parts. Okay, so all these were how we can take care of our body parts. That how can we take care of ears, then eyes, teeth, all these items. Now next is cleanliness of clothes, food and water. So we should also wear clean clothes. That is also the part. Otherwise, if you are wearing dirty clothes, that germs will enter in your body, particularly socks and inner clothes. Your inner clothes, socks, that must be clean. As these clothing items are next to our skin, dead cells and germs get accumulated because it is directly touch with your skin. No, this inner clothes like your vest. Okay, then these socks that are directly touch with your skin, so that should be free from germs. Otherwise, germs will will enter in your body. We must wash our clothes with soap and water to remove dirt. We should use soap and water to remove the dirt, dust and germs of the clothes. After washing, clothes must be dried in the sun. When we dry our clothes in the sun, no, that germs get, the cloth will get germs free. Okay, because of the light of the sun. We should drink filtered or boiled water. Boiling water for 20 minutes make it fit for the drinking. Boiling kills most of the germs present in water. So you should drink filtered or boiled water, and the water should be boiled at least for 20 minutes. We can also use a water filter Drinking water should always be stored in clean and covered utensils to avoid contamination. So that your drinking water, you can use filter also, and drinking water should be well covered to avoid, so that the germs cannot be accumulated or collected there. Okay, so we should eat clean and fresh food. Eating dirty food and stale food can make us sick. So dirty, if you take dirty food, so what happen? You will get sick. We should wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. And before eating or cooking the vegetables, you should clean it. You should wash it. We stay healthy where there are no germs around us. If the germs will not be around you, you will be healthy. You will be away with the diseases. A clean home, a clean surrounding keeps germs away. If your home is clean, your body is clean, your surrounding is clean, surely that germs will be away from you. Now next is community hygiene. Community hygiene. What is that, children? Community hygiene. Community means society. Community means society. How to keep your society, or apart from maintaining personal hygiene, how we can make our maintain our personal hygiene? We must keep our surrounding clean. For maintaining our personal hygiene, we must have to keep our surrounding clean if you want to get rid of the germs. Okay, clean surrounding help people living in that area to stay healthy. So surrounding means where you are living, where you are staying, keep clean that area. All programs and activities that help in improving public health are called community hygiene activities. So all the part where you are staying, that public places, keep clean of public places. Public places are the community, okay, that is society. So the activities which we do to keep clean or improve public health are called community hygiene activities. What is community hygiene activities? All programs and activities that help in improving public health are called community hygiene activities. To keep our surroundings clean and hygienic, we should use dustbin on road and not throw garbage in open. Okay, you should not throw the garbage here and there or in open. You should use the public dustbin. Separate our home garbage into wet and dry before disposing it, and put the dry garbage and the wet garbage in different dustbins. So this way we can keep this maintain community hygiene. Disease caused by lack of personal hygiene and unclean surroundings. If you will not keep your surrounding clean, if your personal hygiene, if you are not maintaining proper personal hygiene, so some diseases are caused. What are these diseases? What are the name of the diseases? That we will learn in this topic. We know that germs breed in a dirty environment. Everyone knows that germs take birth in dirty environment, and germs is causing disease. Some disease can be passed on by an infected person to a healthy person. Some diseases are that which are passing from the infected person. Infected person means the person who is sick from the healthy person. Okay, so directly or indirectly, by touching it or by indirectly also, these diseases are called communicable diseases. Okay, for example, the name of the diseases are cholera, typhoid, common cold, influenza, malaria, chickenpox, and so on. So these communicable diseases are cholera, typhoid, and all that is spread by the touching of the unhealthy person to the healthy person. Infected person to the unhealthy person is who? Infected person to a healthy person, directly or indirectly. So these all are communicable diseases spread from an infected person to a healthy person. How they spreads? Through air, water, food, insects, or by direct contact. Direct contact means by touching each other, or by staying with them, with sleeping with them. Okay, and indirect contact is that through air, water. If that germs is that infected person germs is present in the air and you are also staying in that place, or if he is sneezing, that droplets of saliva enters in your body. So this way indirectly that communicable diseases are spreading from one infected person to the healthy person. Common cold, influenza, tuberculosis and diphtheria are some infections that spread through the air. A sneeze or cough from an infected person releases a mist of droplets full of microbes into the air. When other people inhale this air, microbes enter their body and infect them. Common cold and flu also spread through dirty hands. So this I have explained now only. Now what is contaminated food and water? How it causes diseases. Contaminated means children the food and water which are mixed with germs, which has the germs. Diseases such as typhoid, dysentery and cholera spread through contaminated water. Contaminated means water that is contaminated, that is that has the germs, okay, that is kept it openly, that is not covered properly. So that are the contaminated water. When infected people bath, wash or defecate near the source of water, when contaminated water gets mixed with the drinking water, it causes disease. If it mixed with your drinking water, that causes disease. That's why we say that boil the water at least for 20 minutes and drink filtered water. Heaps of waste and stagnant water serve as breeding ground for many insects such as flies and mosquitoes. These are the contaminated food and water. So with the help of flies and mosquitoes, also what happen, that stagnant water means the water which is collected in one place for the many days, okay, that breeding grounds for many insects. So these give birth to many insects, mosquitoes, flies, okay. Microbes get attached to these insects when they visit a source of infection. When these insects sit on exposed food, the insects which has taken birth in the stagnant water, listen carefully, okay, is stagnant water means that water which is collected, so where their microbes take birth, okay, and they visit to other source means that your visit means they go to the your open food or exposed food or open water you have not covered. So there they transfer the microbes and thus the infection, and if you take that food or water which is kept openly, so these germs, these germs and microbes enter in your body. So this way they cause disease. Mosquitoes spread many dangerous diseases. Diseases such as malaria, dengue and chikungunya. These are spread by the mosquitoes. When mosquitoes bite human beings to suck their blood, when a female Anopheles mosquito bites a person suffering from malaria, the microbes are sucked up with the blood. When this mosquito bites a healthy person, the malaria microbes enter body of the healthy person. Similarly, dengue is caused by the bite of an Aedes mosquito. Understood how dengue is caused and how malaria? Malaria is caused by biting a female Anopheles mosquito. Malaria is caused by biting female Anopheles mosquito, whereas dengue is caused by the bite of an Aedes mosquito, okay, that has already bitten a person with the dengue virus. The person who is already suffering from the dengue, and that same mosquito had bit the another person, healthy person, so he will suffer with the dengue. So many skin diseases such as ringworm and allergies are caused due to lack of personal hygiene. Personal hygiene means not taking care of proper body, not taking proper care of body, okay, not taking proper care of body. Like proper care of body means not taking properly bath, not using soap, not wearing clean clothes. So these type of ringworms and allergies are caused. So you should take care of your body. Now some of the healthy habits. Very important. What are the healthy habits? How can you keep yourself, prevent yourself with these diseases? How can we maintain personal and community hygiene? So some easy habits to follow are: first, Drink filtered or boiled water. Second, drink pasteurized milk or boil it thoroughly before drinking it. Keep food covered and don't eat exposed food items. Do not eat food from roadside vendors. Eat clean and fresh food. Wash your hands with soap before eating. Rinse your mouth with water after eating. Have your meal at fixed time every day. Make sure that there is no stagnant water near your house or as mosquitoes breed quickly in such water. Keep garbage bins covered. Use your own towel and handkerchief. Cover your mouth and nose with tissue paper or handkerchief when you sneeze or cough. Avoid direct contact with patients suffering from highly contagious diseases such as chicken pox and measles. So avoid direct contact with these patients. So these are very important points that how you can prevent yourself with the diseases, okay, and maintaining how you can maintain personal and community hygienes. Now some true false are given in your book that you have to try to complete. Find the answers of that and do it. Complete each and every exercise. The questions which are given in the book also, that also you should do. Okay. Now we are going to study about type of waste. The waste generated by our homes, the waste which comes from our homes include foods and vegetables peel. You know we have to peel out that vegetables and fruit. Paper, plastic, glass, material and many other things. Factories also release different kinds of solid waste. Solid waste is of two types, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Clear children? You know at home, from our home also many type of waste comes out. So some solid factories also releasing from the factories also many type of waste comes out. So these are of solid, some solid waste are there, and these solid waste are divided into two, biodegradable and non biodegradable. You can see here that picture is there, peels of vegetables and fruits, paper, wood. These are the biodegradable, whereas plastic bags, glass bottle, can, this is non-biodegradable. The difference is clear here. Biodegradable means the waste which mix with the soil, that is biodegradable. These waste dissolve in the soil, it mix with the soil, whereas plastic bags, glass bottle, it doesn't mix with the soil. Okay, microbes in the soil feed on waste of this kind and help to break it down. Biodegradable waste enriches the soil. Biodegradable waste, it mixed in the soil. Okay, and when it mixed in the soil, what happened? Microbes in the soil feed on. Microbes which are present in the soil feed on waste of this kind and help to break it down. So when it break down in small parts, what happened? This waste enriches the soil. It enriches the soil. It makes the soil more fertile. That is good for the crops. Okay, kitchen and garden waste can be decomposed naturally by dumping it into pits covered with soil. So if you will your kitchen waste and garden waste also decompose with these, so it is good for your cultivation, good for manure. Microbes present in the soil decompose their waste into manure-rich soil or compost. This method is called composting method. So putting this kitchen waste and all this with this paper, wood together, so it changes into the manure. Okay, manure is that is rich for this soil, and that is called the composting. That is called the composting. Whereas non-biodegradable waste, children, that cannot decay and does not mix with the soil is called non-biodegradable waste. It piles up over a large area and pollute the environment. These waste pollute our environment. It is not good for us. Okay, Plastic, rubber, metal, and glass are example of non-biodegradable waste. Burning these waste produce toxic gases which is bad for our environment and health. Clear? That's why we say that don't less use of avoid using plastic bags and can and this type of things. Okay. Now how can we manage non-biodegradable waste? So we can reduce the amount of non-biodegradable waste produced by us by following the 3 R's. What are these 3 R's? Reduce, reuse, recycle. These are 3 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle. Now one by one we are going to study about what is reduce, what is reuse and what is recycle. Reduce. We should only buy what we really need. You should not buy that extra things. What we need, that only you should buy. We should use plates, spoons, glass made of metal, ceramic or glass instead of disposal plates and spoon. Instead of disposal plates and spoon, that you should not use. Okay, avoid using disposal one. Use steel, metal plates and glasses, because when we throw these plastic plates and glasses in as a garbage, it doesn't mix with the soil and it pollute our environment. So reduce this. You should reduce this. Now next is reuse. We should always try to find new ways to use things before throwing them away. Before throwing the things away, you should try to reuse the thing. How we can reuse? Package boxes, like paper is there, you are throwing outside, you can make this type of covers. Okay, boxes you can make, toys you can make. Then some plastic boxes are there kept at your home and you are not using, you can put some things in that. You can put your vegetables also. Okay, so this way we can reuse the things. We should store foods in reusable container. You should store the things in reusable container. So this way we can avoid that this throwing of the garbage. Clear? Now next is recycle. Recycle means that we should sort dry waste into separate groups such as paper, glass, plastic and metals. These are this paper, glass, plastic and metals you should keep at the separate place. Then we should send these things to recycling plants for making new useful things. Recycling plants means recycling factories, places where the machines are fit to recycle these items like plastic things. By with the plastic they can make new plastic items. Okay, paper, with the paper they can make some new things. So this is the recycling process. Biodegradable waste can be turned into compost. Biodegradable, do you remember what I had taught? Biodegradable means the waste which mix with the soil. So that can be turned into compost. How it can be turned into compost? By the process of composting, by the method of composting. Okay. So this way we can use the biodegradable waste, and we should buy things that are made from recycled material. So you should not try to buy the new things. You should try to buy the things which are used by the recycled material. So this way we can manage non-biodegradable waste. Okay. So these 3 R's are there. So remember all these things, learn it, watch the video and try to find the answers of the given questions in the exercise. Thank you children.